In jedem Anfang wohnt ein Zauber inne. It's actually a German saying which doesn't mean anything else, but if you start something new, there's always kind of a magic connected to it. So if you're a diver and you actually think about starting underwater photography or filmmaking, then this video is for you. And the purpose of this video is two things. The first thing is that you can ask specific questions about how to start underwater photography or filmmaking, and
you can win fantastic prizes.
Give us a few seconds to explain how it works. In collaboration with the Boat Show, the world's largest water sports event, from January 18th to 26th in Düsseldorf, Germany, we run a dedicated live stage about underwater filmmaking and photography. Every day, we host inspiring guests to share their knowledge and to answer your questions. During the 9 days of the show, we will cover 7 different and unique underwater topics in regard of photography and filmmaking. Beginner, wide angle, macro, freediving, compact cameras, cold water, and drones. And because this video is about beginning underwater photography or filmmaking, you can ask your specific questions about that in the comments below. And by doing so, you will automatically take part in the competition to win amazing prizes that Vanessa will show you in a second.
What? The prizes?
Yes!
Yeah. I'll get to that in a sec. Just let me finish the edit first.
So when we select your question, we're gonna actually answer this question live on stage. So you can either come to the boat show in person, which would be great, because then we can meet and chat. But if you can't do so, because it's too far away, you don't have time, you can still follow everything we do there live on social media. Make sure to post your questions in the comments, and also make sure that you enable all the notifications and subscribe, and also follow us on social media. Amongst all the comments, we randomly choose the winner for the following prizes.
And the first prize is a trip to swim with the humpback whales in Tonga. And this fantastic prize is provided by humpbackswims.com and Nadia Ali. And if you don't know where Tonga is a tiny little island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean between Fiji and French Polynesia. And this is one of the world's best places where you can interact with these fantastic creatures. And a funny quote from humpbackswims.com is the best time to swim with the whales in Tonga is during whale season. Otherwise the whales aren't there, of course. So the whales come from the Antarctic and then they swim all the way up to Tonga, sort of in the middle of June. So you start swimming with the humpback whales at the beginning of July to around the first or second week in November. And the great thing about this prize is you do not have to necessarily be a diver. As long as you can swim, you're good to go. So if you win this prize, here's what's included. It's 7 nights, 5 days swim, accommodation, hot breakfast, lunch and snacks on water days, a highly qualified boat and skipper and whale guides. Additional to swimming with the whales, you can snorkel around the reefs and caves of the Pacific Ocean. And lastly, the return transport from the airport to the accommodation. I really wish I could win this prize because this has been on my bucket list since forever. So if you win the prize, have fun with it and send me a photo. And the second prize is a compact camera housing from Isotta. So there is no specific one, you can choose whichever one you like. We love this prize because it is so versatile and it will get you started, especially with this video being about beginning in underwater photography and videography. Just go to the website and choose one of the compact camera housings of the compact camera line. So either you choose a compact camera housing for a camera that you already have, or maybe you don't have one yet, or you're thinking of switching to a different model. Well, Isotta has got you covered. And then of course you can watch our underwater filming tutorials and then start shooting fantastic video underwater. And of course, comment below if you have any questions concerning underwater photography or videography. And just to give you a quick insight on the Isotta housings, they're 100% made in Italy and they're made out of red anodized aluminium. They have a flat porthole featuring an M67 thread, easy camera controls, double O-rings, easy fitting and great stability, single hand opening and closing, multiple strobe connectors, and the list goes on and on and on. You can check everything on the website in the link below. So there you have it. No more excuses. So that was prize number 2. And if you still have excuses why you're not starting underwater filmmaking or photography, well, to be honest, you're not going to get away with this. Because we also have a 3rd prize. The 3rd prize is provided by Easy Dive Underwater Housings. So if you don't have a compact camera or you cannot afford it because you maybe bought the iPhone 11 Pro Max, Easy Dive has got you covered. They are giving away a Leo 3 universal underwater smartphone housing. What? You don't have an iPhone? Oh, well. Well, then I guess the prize is not for you. No, I'm just kidding. Easy Dive is known for producing universal underwater housings. So the Leo 3 housing is compatible with most of the iOS and Android phones on the market today. Now, if you're wondering like I am, how can you access all of the camera and video functions of your smartphone underwater in a housing when it's touchscreen? They have an app which you can download in the Google or Android store and then install it on your smartphone. And then the housing will communicate with your phone through the app. So depending on which buttons you press, it will trigger that function on your smartphone. And smartphones have become really, really good the last past years, especially the ones that came out this year. So it's going to get you started for underwater photography and videography, and it's going to build sort of the basis where you can build up on. So a huge shout out to humpbackswims.com for providing this amazing trip to swim with the humpback whales, and to Isotta for providing the compact camera housing, and of course to Easy Dive for providing the Leo 3 smartphone underwater housing. We're really happy to give away these amazing prizes to you guys, so leave a comment below concerning underwater videography or photography to enter the competition to win these amazing prizes. So good luck, and we will see you in the next video.
Amazing! Amazing! So, next, let's have ice cream.
And if you don't know where Tonga is, it's a tiny little island in the middle of the Pacific between Fiji and French Polynesia. I think. Let me check. Tonga. Tonga, Tonga, Tonga.
Was that the beginning thing?
Beginning.
Okay,
Yeah.
beginning. Yeah, beginning. And because this video is about... Is about what?
Beginners.
Yeah, but beginners.
Okay.
This video is about... Sometimes I really wonder what everything is about. What life is about, what the purpose is of everything. I don't know. I really wonder what this is all about.